Yeah, it was really straightforward homework. Wasn't much else that we needed to do.
The only thing I did not quite catch is in the prep assignment when she says, "Are the requirements met?" in C, in part 2 on C. And she gives a whole bunch of numbers like column 1, row 1 is equal to this, column 1, row 2 is equal to this. I have no idea how she got those numbers.
Wait, 2C?
Yeah, 2C, and then if you look at her answer key,
Oh, there's an A and a B. Oh, I didn't even look at the answer key there.
yeah,
Let's see here.
yeah, she says, it's for the expected cell count for each row and column. But I don't know how she got those.
We're talking about lesson 19, yes?
Yeah, in the prep assignment,
Yeah.
when you do part 2, and then it's number 3, and it's part C. It says, "Are the requirements met?"
Oh, okay. I thought you said 2C. I was like,
Oh, no,
2C.
I apologize. Part 2. I think I probably meant part 2C, but yeah, it's question 3. Yeah, I don't know how she got all of those. I mean, you can see the requirements met in SPSS, but I don't know where she got all of those numbers.
I don't know about expected cell count. Where did she get that? I only said, are the requirements you met? I said yes.
Yeah, that's what I said too, but she put a whole bunch of numbers. I don't know what.
I think she got it from Excel.
Okay. Well, fabulous. Then I'm not going to worry about it anymore. Alrighty.
Okay. Want to go over the homework? And
Yep.
then. Okay.
So for chi-squared test for independence, what are the null and alternative hypotheses? The null, you would say the row and the column variables are either independent, and the alternative would be that the row and column variables are not independent.
Yep. All right. Number 2. I said if the null hypothesis is rejected, then the row variable and the column variable are not independent, and that is true.
Yep, agreed. Okay, so part A on question 3. The null party affiliation and voting preference for Prop 8 are independent would be the null. And then party affiliation and voting preference for Prop 8 are not independent for the alternative. Okay.
Yep. What are the requirements for this test? First, you need an SRS from a single population. And then you need make sure that the counts are greater than or equal to 5.
Agreed.
Expected cell counts.
Agreed. Okay.
And
are the requirements met? Yes, we already did that one. And chi-squared, I got 33.957. The degree of freedom of 1. Okay. P-value, I got approximately 0.
Yep.
We'll reject the null with that. And we have sufficient evidence to show that the party affiliation voter preference on Prop 8 are not independent. Took a couple of times, like, realizing, because the way you write out your conclusion is slightly different.
Yes, yes, it did take a little bit of that. That was quite interesting.
Yeah. Now, did you already do your homework?
I didn't do the homework part.
You did? Okay. It's super fast and easy.
Is it?
Yeah, well, the slow part is you have to actually manually enter it into SPSS because you can't copy
Oh yeah, to do the bar charts
it.
and
And
the
yeah,
graphs and all that.
yeah,
That's good to know.
yeah.
All right.
Yep. All right, so what do you want to do? Do you want to go over the homework or do you want to take the quiz?
Let's take the group quiz, and then we
Okay.
can we could do the homework.
Okay.
Let's see what we got.
All right, let me pull it up here. I will pull up the correct quiz this time.
Yeah.
Good meeting. All right, ready if you are.
Ready.
Okay.
All right. Questions 3 through 9. Use the following information. Public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters, classified by gender and voting preference.
Okay. Okay, which set of hypotheses are appropriate for addressing a research question? Gender and voting are independent. Okay, so it looks like A is the first three. Oh, you're probably putting it into SPSS, right?
Yes.
Will it let you copy it? No.
You are misbehaving. What are you doing up here? Hang on. I gotta feed my cat.
That's fine.
Come here, kitty. Sorry about that.
No worries.
Let's see here.
Almost got it here.
Okay, what are the set of hypotheses appropriate for addressing the research question? It is gender voting preferences are not independent, and then no, the null hypothesis is they are independent, and then the alternative hypothesis is that they're not independent. Right?
Yes, so A.
That's what I think.
Okay. That's what I think.
df is the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1.
Yes, for 4.
What's the correct choice for degrees of freedom?
Oh, so
2.
are they saying what is the degree of freedom?
Yep, I said 2.
Okay. Hold on, let me see what mine says here. I have a degree of freedom of 4.
4? Did I finish putting them in? I thought I did. You should have 2 rows, right?
I have 9 rows.
But it says column totals. Do you notice the totals?
Hold on. Well, I mean, so let me see. So what I have done is I've gone into SPSS and entered them all in. Is that what you did?
Yes.
So.
Oh, you went into SPSS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you have to have, no, I have 6 rows. I apologize.
Right, 6.
Because there's Republican, Democrat, Independent for each man and woman. So there's 6 rows and 3 columns.
Yes, is that bad? Rows and 3 columns. I wonder how you got 4 though.
Yeah, I'm kind of wondering that too.
How did I get 2?
Did you do it that way too?
I put them in. Let me see if I can screen share with you.
Okay.
I
wish I knew how to screen share, but I don't.
See here. This is what I did. Right there.
All right. Hold on.
Can you see it?
1 second. I just have to make this bigger here. Okay. Yeah, I didn't do anything like that.
Nothing like that?
No.
At all?
How did you do that? That's not SPSS. That's Excel, right?
That's the Excel one, yeah. That's the
Okay.
Excel version to do it. Because you put them in the grid as such, and then it spits out the right answer.
Huh. Well, I didn't even look at that one.
No?
No.
I only use SPSS if I need to do a pie or chart or a categorical bar chart or whatever.
All right, let me see if we got the same test statistic. What did you get? 16.2?
2. Oh, the test statistic 16.2.
Let me see what I got here. Hold on. Nope, I didn't get anything like that. Huh. Weird. I did it like this for the entire homework and got them all correct. I don't know what happened here.
Really?
Yeah, that's weird. Okay, well, we will go with yours since you just put it into the thing. Let's see. Hold on, I can find my quiz again. Okay. 2. Are the requirements for conducting a chi-test independence met by this data set? Yes. And it should be observed, right?
I thought it was expected counts. Let me go back here. This is the homework.
Oh, you're right. It is expected.
Expected counts
Yep.
are greater than there's at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
Okay. All right. You got 16.2 for your statistic.
16.20.
Okay.
16.20 is my test statistic. What is the p-value of this problem? P-value is 0.0003. But they only want 3 decimal places, so it's not enough.
I am going to go and find that Excel worksheet. Hold on.
You gonna go find it?
Yeah.
It's the same Excel worksheet that we've used to do everything else, categorical.
Oh, it is?
Under chi-square.
Okay. Let me just open that up. Is it the same one that has the one sample Z? Oh, no.
Yep. No, one proportion. Nope. Proportions are.
And 2 proportion.
Yep.
And version? No.
No, and then it should be chi-square in the middle.
Oh, I don't have a chi-squared in mine. Hold on. I better find it again. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It took me a while to figure it out.
Yeah.
So.
I remember seeing it, but I didn't pull it up. Hold on. Wasn't it in the reading?
In the reading?
No, I mean like that link. Wasn't that link to the Excel sheet in the reading? Where is it?
I don't know. I already had the categorical data analysis downloaded to my desktop when we started. When I started doing the homework, anyway. Like I downloaded all of the files at the beginning of the class semester. I had them all before we started doing all this, so I've had it already.
Okay, I closed it out and didn't download it, so this is ridiculous. I could have sworn I saw it in the reading this week. So
right-click the data and download the data for questions 10 through 14. All right, so I need to weigh the cases by.
So are you doing the next one in SPSS?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, then I'm not going to worry about this right now then.
Because they gave me the option to download it, so I'm guessing they're wanting something from.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Weight cases by count. Okay. All right, they're weight by count. I'm gonna do them in both, the chi-square and the other one, just to be safe.
Okay.
But see if I get the right answer on both. Okay.
Okay.
Where was I? Ah, yes. See reasons for seeking chiropractic care. They want. I'm gonna start putting this in. I'm gonna start putting this in the Excel sheet. What? Okay, so there's 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 3 rows.
Okay.
I see what they want to do. Okay.
Sorry, I just have to find Stupid.
You still trying to find it?
No. Well, hold on. I just am opening up thing. Hold on.
Oh yeah, no worries. 5, 97, 82.
No, I'm just opening it up in SPSS. I just had to go find a link and log in and blah, blah, blah. I've almost got it.
No worries.
Okay.
Conditions for conducting? Oh, yes.
Okay. I have got it done in SPSS. Do you want to check the answers between that and your Excel sheet?
Sure. Hang on. Just gonna. Okay, I'm ready. You ready?
I am ready.
I've only done it in Excel, but I'm gonna run it through SPSS in just a minute.
Okay. Well, I already did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've already got it. All right. So chi-square, I got 7.436.
Your chi-square is 7.436.
Yes.
Rounded, that would be 7.44, just like I got.
Okay. And then a degree of freedom of 8.
Degree freedom of 8, yes.
Okay. And your p-value is 0.490.
Exactly.
Okay. Cool. So it's the same in SPSS.
Yeah. Make sure you round number 12 into 2 decimal places, because that's what they want.
Okay. Okay. Degrees of freedom is 8. Okay. So 7.44.
Yeah.
And then 0.490.
0.490. Yes.
Okay.
Um.
So there is insufficient evidence to suggest is that the way it goes?
I think that's the right one, right? You say it's not independent.
Yeah, so did you put for 14, there is insufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of the location?
Exactly.
Okay.
There's insufficient evidence to suggest the motivation is not independent of the location. Yep.
Okay. Perfect.
All right, you ready?
9, yeah, for 9, did you put A? There is sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent?
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's what I did too. All right. Perfect.
All right, here we go.
Yay.
Yes. Thank goodness.
Yeah.
All right. That was a little iffy on this one because I wasn't sure, like, whether the Excel guy would help me out or no.
Yeah, no, that's good. I must have inputted incorrectly, the first one, so I don't know what I did. All right, perfect. Well, I have time to go over homework if you want to, or if you need to get going and doing something else, that's fine too. I already did it.
Let me see here.
I mean, I already did it, so it doesn't matter to me.
Going over the homework?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind going over the homework for a few minutes.
Okay.
I mean, I have it here. I have it printed. I just haven't done anything about it.
Well, if you have your Excel sheet, it's going to be, I mean, it's all just inputting the data into SPSS and running the program.
Right.
That's not too hard.
Note, for math, you will need to use the SPSS as follows. So they don't want you to use
The Excel.
Excel. They want you to use SPSS, which I do have open right now.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Well, I guess you could do it either way, but I'm going to try SPSS here.
Okay.
File, new, data. Okay. Crazy, it's called religiosity.
I know, I know.
What? Seriously? Okay.
Agreed.
Sounds like luminosity.
Yeah.
What is the luminosity of this lamp post?
Right.
I was laughing.
Oh, it is funny.
Okay. Anger, religiosity counts. That's numeric. Definitely.
Mm-hmm. Right back.
Oh, okay. No problem. I'm going to finish putting this in.
Okay.
Ever sometimes often, ever sometimes often, ever
Mm.
sometimes often. Okay. I think that did it. $29, $29, 61, 18, 60, 55, 27. Okay. Now I guess I gotta weigh by counts.
Yes.
Okay, weighed by counts. Analyze. Descriptive statistics. Crosstabs. Row variable as religiosity.
Mm-hmm.
Anger as a column.
Yep. And you can transpose those. It doesn't matter. You get the same
Yeah,
answer.
doesn't
Yeah,
matter. Which
which
was
is good.
cool.
Yes. Agreed.
Um, click statistics. Check the chi-square. Check the... Hit continue. Display clustered bar charts. And then hit OK.
She must just have us do that just so we know how.
Yeah, I'm sure, like, well, half of the homework...
Yeah. I mean, they all say to display it, but we never like turn in the homework, and it's never on a test. Somehow put a bar chart in, but. Are you good? Did it turn out okay?
It looked good. Yeah, so... Yeah, I ended up getting... What was your chi-square?
My chi-squared, I got 23.474
Yes.
with a probability of 0.0001. Oh, the degrees of freedom I forgot to write down there.
Probability of... How'd you get the 0.0001? Because I just got 0.000.
There's a way, like you can double click it and it'll show you like a longer number. I think when you do that, it's
Oh, I see it. Okay.
yeah. I think it was like 0.000103 or 102, like that.
How do you verify that the requirements are met?
So at the bottom, so like there's like a little sentence underneath that box where your chi-square is that'll say,
Uh-huh.
0% of the expected values are all greater than 5 or whatever.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Create a clustered bar chart for the... Yeah, I got that. State the null appropriate null and alternative. You say that the religiosity
And anger.
and anger variables are not in are independent is the null hypothesis. And then you'd say the religiosity and the anger variables are not
Not independent. So in other words, your religious thoughts or feelings,
background.
yeah,
Background.
looks like they have an effect on your anger.
Hmm.
Is that what that's saying?
Yeah,
Okay.
sort of. Yeah.
Sort of.
They went through a huge paragraph saying like what would happen like if you said it a certain way versus like saying it's independent or not independent. Well, it still can be
Right.
like a certain like it's not dependent. It just
Right.
means that it's not independent.
Right.
It's kind of weird.
Ridiculous.
I was like, all right,
Whatever.
okay. Calculate the test statistic. 23.474. DF is 4. Um, the p-value is 0. Would you ever use the likelihood ratio?
Only if it's one of the answers. I just say equals 0.0000.
Okay.
is what I usually put.
All right. I assume the rest of the answers are just like that. I mean, the rest of
Yep.
the problems are just like that.
Yes, they
Okay.
are.
That is fine then. I will go ahead and run that through.
They're quick.
Get those done later.
Alrighty. Well, cool. Okay, so next week we have something due for we each have to do our own individual data submission next week. So I've got all my Skittles counted up and.
Yeah, me too. I counted them already, so I have all the data here. I just haven't put them in to any kind of Excel sheet or any sort.
Yeah, me either. I just have them written on paper right now. So.
You have them as like bag 1, green, orange, red, purple, yellows.
Yep.
Sort of like that. Good. All right.
Yeah, I actually drew lines for mine, but.
You drew lines?
Yeah, I drew lines on my paper.
Okay.
But yeah, so I'll put them into an Excel sheet and whatever else we have to do.
I was going to say, don't you want to combine them? Like make one Excel sheet?
Do we have to? Because she says we each have to submit our own. Hold on, let's look and see what it says.
I don't know. I just think it would be easier, like overall. It would have it in a presentation, but since we got to make the whole thing together and then send it.
Here, I'm opening up her instructions for next week's. Let's see. Collecting your data. Attach the data you collected. Nope, it looks like we submit it separately.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're supposed to attach the data you collected. So you collected, it doesn't say what your group collected.
Okay.
I mean, obviously when we
may have to like put them all together. We'll have to figure that out.
Yeah, so like eventually when we make our whatchamacallit, our PowerPoint, we'll obviously put it all together. But for next week, it's very quick. I'm pretty sure that was next week. Hold on. I just want to make sure. Does it tell us when it's due? Due Sunday, March 22nd. Yeah, so not till next Sunday.
Not till next Sunday, okay.
But it's a very quick assignment. If you've already done it, you could probably just do it and then not worry about it next week.
Right.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. It looks like she's allowing you can open it up and put it in, so you could submit it now if you wanted. I might do that. That way next week I'm not worried about it. Okie dokie. Cool.
All right.
Well, good luck on your homework quiz, and we'll see
you
Monday night. You what?
Yes, Monday. Yes, I was like, yes, thank you. And Monday, yes. Are still on for Monday?
Yes. Now, how early can you meet on Monday? I'm going to take tea time from work. Is 8 the earliest you can meet?
I could meet a little earlier. I'm just trying to think, like, what?
Yeah. I mean, if you're working and stuff.
Time. It's Tuesday this week. That's going to be busy because I have to do my taxes.
Okay.
I'm trying to think, like, I could meet, like, at 7 or 6. How early are you suggesting?
Whatever works for you. Technically I'm supposed to be to work at 7, which means I would normally have to leave home by 6:15. But I was just going to take as much pee time as I need to make sure I can attend group.
We could do it at 5, 6. No, I can't do it at 5. 6, I could do it.
Okay, 6 it helps. Then I only have to take an hour. So.
Yep.
Okay. So 6 o'clock Monday.
6 o'clock Monday, I'll have it ready for you guys.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, have a good weekend.
Hey, you too, Tabitha. Thank you.
Okay. Well, I'm working all weekend.
Yeah, I've got to work. I got to work Saturday.
I'm not working. Am I working Monday? No. I'm not working this Monday. It's next Monday.
The next Monday.
It's the next Monday.
Okay.
So whatever you want to do for this Monday is good with me. Do you want to go back to 8?
Let's go back to 8.
Okay. Sorry, I apologize. It's the next Monday. That is, I haven't been able to find someone to work for me. So.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. Send us.
Okay, perfect. So this Monday at 8 o'clock still. Okay.
Okay. All
Cool.
right. I like it.
Thanks. Talk to you later,
Great.
Josh.
Hey, thank you, Tabitha. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
We'll talk to you
Bye-bye.
later. Bye bye.